There are many text effects available in PowerPoint, but there's only one that makes the text more readable. Most of them are flashy and make the text more exciting but less readable, but this one is really best of both worlds. How can we apply a keyboarding, a typing effect to a text in PowerPoint? First, type in your text, then click on it and head to Animation tab at the top. We need to look into the green animation, entry animation. When you open this, you may see there are some options here at the bottom for like dropping the letters or flipping the letters. Take a look. They are like very flashy and distracting. So what we want today is a very basic, simple typing animation. So not this one. Let's get rid of this one. I'm going to open animation pane and I can kick this one out. Alright, so instead of this flashy one, head all the way back to the top and the very simple appear. But by default, the whole text will just appear. So it's almost like nothing happened. We need to change settings for this type of animation. So head to text animation here on the right side in the animation panel here and change from all at once to by letter. Alright, let's test up with this new setting. When I play it now, this will appear letter by letter, like somebody's typing this in. And it's really readable without any flashy effects, shaking and stuff like that. Alright, so that's how you can create a very basic, very simple keyboarding effect using appear. So add appear, entry animation to your text, and then modify this setting here. Text animation change from all at once to by letter, and this way you will animate this letter by letter, simply appearing letters. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.